Hi everyone, this is Kunal from loop91. Today we will be talking about how to import, install our loop91 GUI components application. We will start on it while I explain what the application is. For a while now, I have been developing this set of UI components. All of them are open source. You can use them in your application as you like it. And I have bundled roughly six for now. There would be more, they are coming. I keep developing and keep releasing those. And for now, as you can see, there are six components in this library. We will install this today on my PDI, and I'll give you a short demo how it looks like by adding a QR generator to a page. Let's preview this. There could be some issues, but we'll see. So yeah, the issue is that this application was installed on this beforehand, and that is why it keeps saying that. So what we'll do is we'll simply accept changes, though this is not something that will happen on your instance. Yeah, let's do that again. Okay, now that we have accepted all, we will commit the update set. Okay, so now this is installed, and we can confirm by looking up in application scope if, yeah, there it is. Loop91 is now available. Now let's quickly go to UI Builder and see how it looks like. UI Builder. We will, I have created an experience for this demo. All right, so this is the experience that I created. I already created a page for this. It's an empty page, but what we'll do is we'll quickly add QR code generator. Do not show again, and we will search. The moment you add, you will be able to search loop91, and all of those will appear. Six components that's available right now. Let's add QR code generator, and we have it here. So I will increase the height by 400, and width we don't need, but we will still do that. So we can see, and we see that this is the URL that is going into QR code generator. We will save this and we'll quickly open this as path. There you have it. You can open your mobile and scan this, and you will be redirected to loop91.com. This is about it. Do try, and I will put the link to the repo in the description, and let us know what you think about it.